Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It's Steve. To all my new viewers, welcome for the first time. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to teach you a quick iPhone 15, not trick. It's just a new feature that's cool. It's called Visual Lookup. It's when you have a picture in your phone, say of a plant, animal, a point of interest, or even I've just noticed today, artworks. And say you see a certain flower, you take a picture of it, you have no idea what it is. You can now use your phone to look it up. And it's really simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. You need your iPhone. I don't know which models it starts from, but I know you need iOS 15, and that's all you need, your phone and iOS 15. So let me get to the phone, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's go. All right, what you need to do is go into your phone and just get into your photos. And as you see, I already created a visual lookup folder in here. And I have a flower, I have a point of interest, I have a painting, and I have a dog. So this is what you do. We'll start with the flower. On the bottom here, you see the little eye. It'll have the little stars next to it. So you just click on the eye. And now some information will pop up, and you'll see a little leaf in the middle of the picture. Now just click on the little leaf. And it tells you it's either a rose bush, a multiflora rose, and it'll show you pictures of similar flowers. All right, now we'll go to the point of interest. This one is fairly new. I didn't know that this worked. Same thing, you see the little eye on the bottom, you click it. And now this one, there's nothing on the picture for you to press except for the bottom right-hand corner. And that is just look up for a landmark. So you click on that. And it tells you, yes, I was at the Getty Center. So that is pretty cool, and it sends you more photos. We'll leave that. Now we'll go to the painting. I took this picture at the Getty Center. Obviously, the information for the painting is right on the picture in the little text, but I will click the eye with the stars on the bottom again. And then it's an artwork, and there you see a little picture of, the photo icon in the middle here. So you can either click on look up artwork or the little circle picture in the middle of that picture. And it'll tell you this is a Van Gogh, and the type, the name of the picture, and it'll just show you more pictures of the same painting. And the last one we'll do is an animal. This is the picture I took with my Sony a7 III. So again, the bottom, you see the eye with the little stars. Click on it. And now you see a little paw. So it's telling you that it's a dog or an animal. Click on the little paw. And now this is telling you it's either a golden retriever or a cocker spaniel. And this might be unsure because the picture is from the side and not straight on. But still, I believe it's a golden retriever. And you see more pictures down below. And that's Visual Lookup. It's really easy. I don't expect many people to have many questions regarding this. I did find out that you don't have to take the picture in your iPhone for this feature to work. The picture of that dog, I took that with my Sony a7 III, and it was in my phone, and it still worked. So whether you transport pictures that you take with a camera to your phone, or you take the pictures with your phone, this feature should work on iOS 15. So I hope you liked, I hope you learned. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you later. Peace, guys.